I've got my trial version of Home Designer Pro 2021 here. I'm just going to draw a simple box closed with walls. And you can see once I do that and then go Shift F6. Okay, there's a simple hip roof over a single floor there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go over here to here. See, auto rebuild roofs is on in the trial version. That's fine. I'm going to reset the pitch to 1/16. And what that does, you get a flat roof. And your photograph, of course, the roof is thicker. So I'm going to go back to the build roof dialog, go to the structure tab, excuse me. And the rafter depth, I'm going to set it to 11.5. See what that looks like. That made it a little bit thicker. And I didn't see any gutters in your stuff. So again, I'm going to go back here and go to options and turn off gutter. Go back to the structure, and I'm going to make this the rafters 18 inches thick. Okay, I need where is that icon? There it is. That's still not thick enough. Oh yeah, and then you're saying it looks like you have stucco walls. I'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to go back to the structure tab and make the rafter, quit messing around with fractions, make it 22 foot thick. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I'm sorry, that's wrong. I need to go back to the build roof structure. See, I've been making the rafters 24. I need to make the fascia 24 as well. That's what I was missing. Okay, now that looks like overkill. Let me fix that. But I was showing you how you get a flat roof with a thicker fascia. Okay, we'll change this to 18 and drop that by 6 inches. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Now I'm going to go back over here, go to edit, default settings, walls. This program only does what it's told by you via the settings. So I'm going to change the exterior wall from this. That's what it's dutifully using because that's how it was set out of the box. I'm going to change it to stucco 6. And also, I'm going to go over to materials and exterior and change this to stucco, which is, I believe it's beige stucco. I could be wrong. Just click done. And I guess after the fact, I'll have to change this manually. I'll grab these 4 walls here, open them, go to wall types, change it to stucco 4, and find out what the material is. Sand finish. Okay. Now I can go to edit default settings. Excuse me. Materials, exterior wall. Change that to sand finish. Here's S, sand. There it is, sand finish. Okay. Need to keep all these things in agreement. Now, with those settings, I'm now going to go build floor, build new floor. I'm going to keep it simple and derive. I don't care about the ceiling height, but now, oh, I didn't mean to create a, oh well, let me undo that. That's not what I intended to do. I should have paid more attention to what I was doing. Go to build floor, build new floor, derive second floor plan from the first floor. Okay. That's what I was intending. Okay, now I'm going to go to the second floor, and just for reference, I'm going to put a window there, and I'm going to go down to the first floor and put a window in and a door. Why not? And we'll create a terrain perimeter. And I'm going to double click on that and set that to 7 inches. That's setting it to 7 is 7 inches below the 0 of the first floor, by the way. Okay, now we got something up here that looks kind of like what your photograph. Now, how do you get the other architectural effect? Well, I'm going to go to cabinet tools, believe it or not. It's a simple way to do this. And we'll go over here to soffit. I guess I need to click on this screen to make that active. Yeah. Soffit. And but that's not exactly where I want it, so I'm going to raise it up. I have to press the control key to raise it above its preset height. And we'll extend it. The year band didn't see, like I've set this to 18 inches. I'm going to set this to 18 inches tall. 18. Basically, this is just an architectural applique. I take this and copy it here and here. Well, it didn't exactly go where I wanted, but that's okay. We'll line those up a little bit better. These are commonly, a soffit is above a, you can't really see this all that well. I'm going to change the camera type to vector view so the lines stand out better. Well, I guess I could turn the color back on. Anyway, so that's how you would emulate that in Home Designer Pro. That's a way. It's not the only way, but it's a workable way. Is have basically a flat roof or very low pitched roof, and then these are architectural appliques on the outside. Okay, hope this helps you, answers your question. Whether it does or not, have a great day.